about the Sena install on this Proto helmet. So I have got it on here. I don't know if you'll be able to see really what's happening, but I just installed the receiver on the back, just like all the other YouTube videos. And then they were asking about the earmuffs, and trying to hold a camera and hold a phone and do this at the same time. But anyway, so all I did, you can see there, the wires coming out. I just drilled a little hole. I popped the ear muffs off, which they come off pretty easy. Okay, so this is with the ear muff off, and there's when you buy the Sena setup, there's little Velcro pads that go in here, so they stick to the back of the speaker, and then you can glue them wherever. I do have the Petzl helmet as well. It's just the Vertec, I think it's the Vertec, the vent helmet with the kit, with the visor. And we have them in these muffs as well, but these I did a little different because the pad, which might be too bright, you might not be able to see that. You'll see there the pad is just on the inside of the cup, on the side of the phone facing your ear, and that's because these are so deep, and it's so rounded on the back right here, that it wouldn't really give a good place to stick that Velcro sticky pad. But anyway, these are pretty flat, and that held up pretty good. And then what I did is drilled a hole right here on the back side, so that wire sticks down in there. And then these are the inserts, the pads, and so they just go in here kind of snugly. And I've seen on YouTube where different people will go on one side of the pad or the other. I've got them on both, and they both work really well. In fact, I kind of like it better on the back side of the foam. It kind of actually helps to improve the audio quality a little bit, I think. And then on this, I did, let's see if I can see it, if it'll focus. There it goes. So I did notch this out as well, so you can see that. And that way, when I put that back down on there, it doesn't cut the wire, and that actually works really well. But these pop back on. I've got another Petzl helmet that I did a while back, and I couldn't really get the ear muffs apart like I could on these, and I ended up kinking one of the wires. But anyway, so once you have that, the microphone is installed. Let's see if I can see it. It's kind of tucked down in there. Get the sun out of the way. It's right here, and it's stuck with the same kind of sticky pad. And then on top of that, I put electrical tape to really kind of snug it up because the Velcro seemed a little floppy. But anyway, so that's the install. That's the microphone up, tucked away, and then the ear muffs. And anyway, here's the other ear muff right here. The one problem that I did find, which it might not be a problem, you'll see I got the wires, they're just taped in. I don't know if you can see that. They're taped in place to kind of keep them out of the way. And the way these muffs go back and forth, and you can tuck them up into the helmet like that, I'm actually kind of I don't know, it may not be an issue, but I'm almost worried that the wire might get rubbed raw and break. But because really the Sena wires on these ear pieces, they're not that thick. I mean, they're kind of thin. They may hold up just fine, but you never know. So anyway, that's the setup, and I'll put it back together so you can see it, and then I got to move things around because I got a tree.